What? What? Okay. Well, I ain't got no more cabinets for you because you decided to open up the bag and spread it all over the fucking floor. So now go fucking... Damn cats. At least dogs aren't smart enough to open your drawers. I'm not saying dogs are dumb, I'm just saying.
Okay, let's go control. To the dog. Let's go to the dog.
Whoop trail.
Damn, bro.
Ain't no fucking way, bro.
Ah, down and killing, you stupid. So it's gonna finish those I saved
Thank
you,
you.
bro.
I love you.
We about to, man. You make you stat nigga and everything, man.
Fuck.
What I don't love is when fucking joints decide they want to roll on one fucking side. Oh, he's in the window.
Damn, bro.
Hey, guess what? Hey, do I?
Oh, really? Alright, focus, focus. We getting smacked wrong. Why there's no down in fucking control, bro? There's only alley all over the place. What the hell?
And then they see.
There's a lot of people looking at us, right? Where's he, Bob? One just went. He's gonna die right now, like a little bitch. Stop that. Hey, money shop. We buy a loading. Oh, fuck.
Oh, look at that. Trade for it. Got it. Touch and go. Come on, baby. Blue. Hey, Blue, hop in, bro. What are you doing?
Wait, bro. I'm gonna do that to you. That's the guy I want to kill.
Damn
That's the
it.
guy I want to kill.
I feel like I get more frustrated down here, surgeon.
What the fuck? Nah, this guy sucks.
What's up, YouTube? What's up? Thanks for tuning in. Talk. Good times we started. Hey. Get over shit out of over there. Look at this man say, kill this man.
No.
Yeah. He tried. He thought he got demon movement. You gotta focus when you move demon movement.
You already got movement, thick man.
Somebody just be like that.
You got a zombie guy around here.
Not right now. Minute and
You're on the side of the corner
8,
of the building.
5, 4, 3.
There he is. There he is. Right now, Blue. Oh.
Two rooftop. One's going downstairs.
Yes. Oh my God. No.
How much is it to buy back?
4,000.
Stay alive, bro. I'm coming in.
Yeah, they all coming in. How many side on the people side? Now you can buy me already, FBI. Oh,
Wait.
wait, go. What happened? Pick him up. He got shot?
Nah, bro. I forgot. My shit is
Yeah,
not
go buy
automatic.
me. Go legal dose. Go pick him up, y'all. What the hell? Go buy me, right? Watch out. They're seeing you
Can
guys
I
right now.
run with this?
Alright, we gotta win this, bro. Only 14 left. Watch out, people here. There's 3 people up there. Fuck, I ain't got nothing, bro. Nothing.
Go through there.
Guns or something. Hey,
Get
that's
some
our
ammo
stuff.
real
That's
quick.
our stuff, bro.
Roof clear. Oh,
One in that building.
one to our left. Behind us.
One is on top.
Good job, nigga. Fuck.
Damn, bro.
Laying in the grass, crawling down to the pier. Damn, bro.
No way. Demon.
You got this. He's out by the pier. Circle's moving left. Go to the end of the building to your left. Alright. Yeah, he's far back there. Oh.
Hey, the fucking way. This motherfucker laid down.
Dude took my fang too.
Almost, y'all.
And I couldn't kill him with it. What's the motherfucking difference, bitch?
We always got that shit, I swear.
It's it.
I
It's
need
over.
to see Sleeping Beauty.
LMG and fucking SMG. Which SMG can have a fucking double mag or fucking titty mag?
Latra.
I like that.
Hell
What I don't like is I don't have fucking unlock.
Damn.
No, it's boo boo. It's alright. I'll unlock it. I'll use it. I'll get unlocked. I'll smoke some more. Be okay.
Look like your mom, and then like I think that's important.
Show pictures up.
Nein, du bist eine Schlampe.
You're working.
Building Scheiße.
And what is it that you're doing?
Oh, what happened to our teammate?
I'm going on a trip to a place called Auschwitz. It is all the time. It's a good time.
Let's get it.
Let's get it. Alright, can we do an outside fucking end of the fucking map tactic?
No! We do it at Stronghold 252.
Like, let's spawn like immediately right here.
Damn, bro.
And then work our way. Fuck everybody up. Like fucking SEAL Team 6. We got this. Why do you think there's more money?
Oh, hell no.
Motherfucker, let's start throwing hands. Start throwing hands. Start throwing hands. Don't be afraid.
Oh, no way. Landed in. That's nice.
I just wanted you to stare in my eyes. Oh shit. Oh shit. I saw none of you there with me.
I'm here. Just gotta get a drink.
Got here.
Damn it, and he got it all opened up too. I'm going back roof. Right to your left, right to your left, coming out. I'm about to do it again. Got 10 seconds. 3, 2, 1, I'm in.
Triple kill, baby! Woo! Stop playing with me, bro. Get the fuck out of here.
Hey, movement, thick man.
Yeah, I just luckily killed dude. Don't get way lucky, very much.
Har klippingen, ja men det... Finishing movie jag med inte.
Let's buy Lodi, y'all. Yeah, we can buy Lodi. Guys, we got the money. Let's scrap the bounty, bro. Scare the shit out of that guy.
I got my stick. I'm ready.
Sticky weeby.
My trustees. It's my trustee stick. Leave me alone.
Damn, Bryson is like calling us.
I already got one of those. Where we getting contact from? Come on, communicate.
On top of Bryson.
Alright, move it. We're to your body. So if you can run back to us, that'd be cool.
It sucks. They're standing up there. I wanna
This guy scared the shit out of me.
Somebody just landed behind us.
Oh, y'all down there camping everywhere, bro. They down there camping. Y'all are. One person left. That's it.
Two kills. One left on top.
Fucking shit.
Alright, make sure we keep moving. Court Street.
I think he's jumped down.
I got him, I got him.
Oh, they're on front. Bro, I'm on top, bro. Why you guys like go down? He's going. Don't go loading, right there.
Hold on.
Our church.
Got your back, you watch Lodi.
One down. Is that hot? Fuck that. Yeah, I have no shotgun ammo.
I'm up top with blue. Hey, watch your set. Right to right. Right.
Where'd he go?
I'm coming back. Woo! That's a nice fight. I wanna go to the lieutenant.
Oh shit. Watch your eyes right.
Fucking YY kids. bro.
Fucking shit, bro. They're just gonna keep running back and forth. Cody!
Look at this. Get out of my way.
Nice. That's some good stuff, bro. You shotgun him?
Come on, out. Finishing movie there.
Oh, people come from. Hey, by yourself.
Knockout for
By yourself.
360.
By yourself.
Finishing.
Selfie,
What happened?
By yourself. It's free. Self revive.
Oh, self. Said, get the fuck out of here. Funke ako fan record game.
Na live kay YouTube. Tagal na
Nah. Huh?
Na live na kay YouTube. Tagal
Mama?
na VPN.
Oh, for real?
Yeah, my name tag is
Shit, I'm gonna check you out then. Oh, subscribe.
I'm what is it again?
Shit, I
Name
need that
tag?
fucking ammo.
This is my name tag.
Okay.
You better run, bro. You stand there. You better run, bro. You stand there, huh? You better run, bro. You stand on the window, bro. You gotta run. Yeah, don't go down there. Watch out, people here. What's up, YouTube? Come on. Give me a like.
Oh, bro, watch this, watch this. I'm gonna give him the Allah Akbar special. What the fuck?
Yes!
Hold on, bro.
What? Yo, you are hiding, bro. You can take it.
Where you at? Where you at?
Tanta. Go back by me at control, bro. Control is safe. You're the one who have money, FBI.
What?
Are you yelling? Why is it control? Watch out, people coming down right
okay.
now. Hintay dyan, basta nandun, sandwich yun. Get on the wall or something.
Wait, what am I doing?
That's what's up, bro.
Ta-da.
Nice.
I'm coming, bro. You gotta win this.
What are you playing on? PS5?
PS4, bro. I'll be smacking
PS4.
you down, PS4. Here's Bob right now.
Ow. Red crate.
Bro, I keep hearing this fucking zombie there. Where you at? You're not movement, man, bro.
Right there.
Go. No great people there.
Oh wow.
Yes! I deserve that kill, because you're hiding.
Ay, ato daw ang corner yaw eh. Ako sa choke lang.
Abang eh. Break down here.
Harapag! Huh? Fuck this.
Window. Oh.
Woo! We almost again. Second quarter? Or what?
Alright, I'm gonna hop off for a little bit.
Alright, I'm gonna take a break too. Hey, FBI, nice game. Bua, I'm sorry, we want to talk
Yes,
to you,
for sure.
but you're
Oh,
not
yeah.
no mic. Alright, yo.
Get him, bro.